Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using Caps Lock on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. While Chromebooks don't come with a dedicated Caps Lock button, there is still a keyboard shortcut you can use to turn Caps Lock on or off. To turn Caps Lock on, press Alt and the search key at the same time. When you do that, you will see a caps icon down in the toolbar. Everything you type will now be in caps until you turn Caps Lock off again. To turn it off, it's the same shortcut, the Alt and search keys at the same time. It's also possible to change the key mapping to make the search key be the dedicated Caps Lock key. To do that, click the white circle icon at the bottom left of the screen. In the app menu, open Settings. In Settings, select Device from the left sidebar. Then in Device Settings, select Keyboard. Here you can select the search key or any of the other keys and change their function to Caps Lock. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.